Hello everyone, this is Shovan Kumar Pakalpati, psychologist and CBT practitioner. Today I want to discuss another issue, that is a family part in forming a personality of a child. Is that important or not? And what we think? Definitely it is important, because family is the first source of learning part for any children, because the main learning part of a human life is a child time, and child will learn from the family, because family is only access resource or a source of a learning for the children, because they stay mostly at the house at their children time or before 5 years. So that family is a very important source for the personality shaping of a children, and what they learn like values, socialization and psychological, intellectual, all the things they learn from they learn from the family first. So that family is the primary source of a personality shaping of a children, and child will learn many things from the family members like father, mother, siblings, elders, anyone. So that what we have to do, and simply we should teach the values and everything in a proper way, not in a other way, because child learning starts from two things mainly. Those are what we directly told them, or else from the observation. Observation takes a big part in a learning, because children will learn by observing. So that we should have to observe ourselves, what we are doing. More than what we are saying, what we are doing is a very important thing. We should keep those things in mind and behave accordingly. And we should teach children everything with directly and with observation and with by saying some examples, and they cannot go out from that particular way. A small example: if we build a building, we should have to keep in our mind that the foundation should be very strong, because if the foundation was strong, the building will stand tall. Whatever you build in up, it will stand tall, otherwise it will not. Likewise, the children also, the family part is very important for the children, or shaping their personality. Everything, psychologically, physically, and also the socialization also starts from the family. And after schooling, after starting the schooling, they'll learn more, of course, but the foundation is only the family. So that we should be very careful, and we should teach the values and all in a proper way for the children. Then their personality will be very strong, and they behave in a better way in a outside with society. Thank you very much. All the best from Pinnacle Blooms Network.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Miracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special Edu Healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.